Milk to go with your cookies. How to use the Align tool. We're going to start by opening our cookies again. Remember, anytime you want to edit a file, just hit Tinker this. These cookies need a nice glass of milk. Let's just go ahead and give this a new file name. Cookies and milk. Cookies wand milk? Cookies and milk. The glass cup I want to make starts as a cylinder. Let's resize it by dragging on the white squares. That looks pretty good. Now let's make it look like glass. If we color it light gray, that kind of looks like glass. But it's not transparent. You can't see through it. In the color menu, there's actually an option for that. That looks more like glass. Let's put some milk in it. The shape of the milk in the glass will be another cylinder. This cylinder should be slightly smaller than the glass. We also need to make it white to look like milk. So if we drag this cylinder over the glass, it will look like it's inside. But if we don't get it exactly in the center, it will look wrong. We could look at it from the top so we could see better if it fits in the middle. But there's an easy way to put it exactly in the middle. To do this, we need the Align tool. First, select both the milk and the glass. Then click the Align tool. When you do this, you will see black circles around the objects. Clicking on this black circle will make both objects line up so that they share the same center. Clicking on this black circle will make both objects line up so that they also have the same center. Now the white milk cylinder is directly in the center of the transparent glass cylinder. Now we need to lift up the milk. But we can't click it because the transparent cylinder is in the way. Every time we click it, it just selects the transparent cylinder. What we need to do is hide the transparent cylinder. If you click here, it will hide the selected object. I think it's a light bulb. It's gone. To show hidden objects again, just click here. The cup isn't gone, it's just hidden. Tasty.